When it comes to keeping your files, calendars, and contacts in sync without relying on big tech cloud providers, Nextcloud is one of the most popular open source options out there. It's basically your own private cloud, but with a ton of extra features that go beyond just storage. At its core, Nextcloud lets you store and share files across devices securely. You can access them from your browser, a desktop client, or mobile apps, and it works on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Since it's self-hosted, you control exactly where your data lives, whether that's on a home server, a VPS, or a dedicated hosting provider. This makes it a favorite for privacy-conscious users and organizations who want to keep sensitive data in-house. Beyond file syncing, Nextcloud has a whole ecosystem of apps. You can enable built-in collaboration tools like Nextcloud Talk for video calls and chat, Nextcloud Office for document editing, powered by Collabora or OnlyOffice, and Deck for Kanban-style project management. There's also calendar, contacts, and mail integration, so it can double as a productivity suite. If you've used Google Workspace or Microsoft 365, it's like that, but self-hosted and customizable. Security is a big focus. It offers end-to-end encryption for files, two-factor authentication, and granular user permissions so you can control who can view or edit each file or folder. Admins also get auditing and logging features to track activity. For larger deployments, there are enterprise add-ons with support, branding, and advanced compliance tools. Installing Nextcloud can be as simple or advanced as you want. Some hosting providers offer one-click setups, but you can also install it manually on a Linux server with Apache or Nginx, PHP, and a database like MariaDB or PostgreSQL. Updates are frequent, bringing new features and security patches. Since it's open source, you can also tweak the code or add community-made plugins to tailor it to your workflow. Performance will largely depend on your server's specs and internet connection. With a solid setup, syncing is fast, even with large files. For remote teams, it can handle real-time collaboration without much lag, especially when paired with good hosting. Overall, Nextcloud stands out as a flexible, secure, and feature-rich cloud platform for both personal and business use. It's perfect if you want the convenience of cloud storage and online collaboration, but with the control and privacy of hosting it yourself, making it a strong alternative to mainstream cloud services.